Just wanted to hop on here and give you a high definition video of a new limited loaded 2017 pearl white Subaru Legacy. It is Carfax certified, 0 accidents. I'll give you a slow pan around it. It's as new can be. There's your backup camera, systematic all-wheel drive. It does have eyesight technology, collision avoidance, lane guidance, keepsake, sunroof, heated front seats, heated rear seats. And did I mention how new? And we've got it, Conover location. Look on the rear, like it's not been used. There's your heated seats. In the front, it's got navigation, Harman Kardon stereo. There's your big sunroof. It's even got the eyesight technology there, guys. That's what everyone looks for. Lane departure. 828-464-0600. Automatic cruise control. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. We can get you done. Check out my website, tradingpostcars.com, to apply. Above average new. You won't find a cleaner one on the internet. Trading Post, family owned and operated, 45 years in business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, 17 limited, loaded, all the goodies, pearl white, guys, tan leather. This thing, you won't find a cleaner. Check it out, 828-464-0600, tradingpostcars.com. You're gonna love it here, and you're gonna love our Legacy. Get it before it's gone at the Trading Post.